Hi, my name is Aubrey and welcome to Natural Sciences Grade 7. A form of energy is a kind of energy given out by a source. There are many different forms of energy because energy is given out in so many ways. Some of the simple forms of energy we have learnt about already are heat, light, sound, and electric energy. We also learnt about potential and kinetic energy. We know that we need energy for things to work. Not all things use the same form of energy to work. This is why we have energy changes or transformations from one form into another. Let's cross over to Asanda on location with a pupil who poses me a question.
Hey guys, it's another day at Shangri-La. I'm so excited to be back here. There's a lot of work we need to get through. And hey, you know, my friends have only got one thing to say.
Welcome back to Shangri-La!
Well guys, we're back at Shangri-La Academy, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at forms of energy but focusing on the things in our homes. And to help me out is Christine. How are you doing?
Fine, thanks, and you?
I'm very well, thank you. So Christine, what's your favorite subject?
I would say NS.
NS. Why is that?
Because I really enjoy the subject, like learning about science and also animals.
Also animals.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do when you grow up and study and finish school?
I want to become a veterinarian or a game ranger because I just love animals.
You just love animals. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay then, you've got a question for us.
Yes, I do.
Go ahead.
Let's take a few steps back. Those things in my home that we said earlier use energy. Can we now call them kinetic and potential energy?
Well, can we?
In this lesson, we are going to investigate different forms of energy, energy transformations, and how they're used. And this is in line with learning outcomes number 2 and 3. Learning outcome number 2, constructing science knowledge. The learner will know and be able to interpret and apply scientific, technological, and environmental knowledge. Learning outcome number 3, science, society, and the environment. The learner will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the interrelationships between science and technology, society, and the environment. Most of the things in our homes work with electrical energy, which is then converted into one or many different forms of energy. This electrical energy is supplied by power stations and is what we know as electricity. In the previous lesson, you learned that potential energy is stored energy and that kinetic energy is moving energy. Batteries store their energy in the chemical compounds inside them. This is what we call chemical potential energy. Other things in your house that work with this are those that use fuels like gas, coal, wood, or paraffin. Solar-powered things like garden lights also store the energy they get from the sun. Those things in your house that work because they store energy do work with potential energy. All the things in your house that need electricity to work use electrical energy. This can be changed into kinetic energy as well as sound, heat, or light energy. When we say that something uses a certain form of energy, we mean that it needs that form of energy in order to work. In this activity, you will practice your skills of classifying. The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity.